Mini-sized. These pucks are 2 in diameter, which makes them perfect for knee and floor hockey. Soft foam. The soft foam construction of these mini hockey pucks make them perfect for indoor hockey games. 3 colored pucks. This set comes complete with 3 colored mini hockey pucks, so you have plenty of replacements. Great accessory. This set is the perfect addition to any mini hockey set. Perfect for kids. These mini pucks are the perfect size for young players, which make them a great gift for kids who love hockey. Franklin Sports mini hockey foam pucks are the perfect gift for any young hockey fan. These 2 hockey pucks are made of soft poo foam, which makes them perfect for indoor use. The pucks are designed with a vinyl-coated outer layer, making them ideal for smooth surfaces. Play mini hockey, knee hockey, or floor hockey with these pucks. This set comes complete with 3 colored foam pucks, so they are easy to see and you'll have plenty of replacements. Get the game started with Franklin's mini foam hockey pucks today. Top reviews from the United States. Safe for inside knee hockey. These are great for playing indoor knee hockey. They do not hurt you when hit, and they are too lightweight to do damage. Keep in mind they are small size, not the size of a typical puck. We recommend getting bright colored pucks, though if playing in an area they might get lost in, hard to find. They take a beating.